Hi everyone, my name is Ankita and welcome to my channel.
हाय गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं आप सब? होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग वेल। मैं भी ठीक हूँ। डे 2 इन मुंबई एंड लेट मी टेक यू थ्रू माय डे। लेट्स गेट दिस व्लॉग स्टार्टेड।
That's the view from my room, a quick glimpse of our Airbnb. Given the traffic challenges that people and everybody around faced in BKC, आज हमने सोचा because the event starts by 9, we'll leave by 7:30, 7:45 ish ताकि हमको BKC का traffic ना face करना पड़े. We'll have breakfast somewhere around in BKC and then we'll walk from wherever we are having breakfast to the venue. Today was also an important day because the integration that we worked for our app was part of the product release in the second half, and I was pretty excited about it. BKC completely reminds me of Magarpatta. How I miss Magarpatta whenever I am in the premise, because Magarpatta was slightly smaller but was exactly like this, where all the companies around and there was residential as well, and there were like set city framework was there. So I really miss Magarpatta city. Work days and breakfast are just not sitting right with me. I went there and I was just browsing through all the options, and I ended up having only a Java chip frappe, which is my absolute favorite order here. But what a disaster. I have a Starbucks card जिसमें balance है, but because they were not able to you know read the card, they were not able to deduct the money from the card. So that balance, I don't know, it's not a lot, must be some 200, $300 which is sitting on the card for about more than a year now.
Myself or in Kannada, please. Ankita.
So lesson learned, never ever recharge your card, the prepaid card, if you're not using that very continuously. That's the outfit of the day. So for today, I had bookmarked few sessions that I wanted to attend, and the rest of the day I thought, would be mostly in meeting the folks that I work with or I can potentially work with. And of course, the second half, we had the demo. So all the sessions or the panel discussions were happening in, they have big conference rooms. It was planned there. It has a seating capacity of, I think, over 1,000 folks, and it was a big podium, and the guests would come in, and there was live streaming happening as well, and all the product showcases and multiple companies who had set up their booths was in the pavilion. So pavilion is in the ground floor, and all the sessions were happening on the first and the second floor. So basically, on the three floors, all the event for GFF was being covered. This is the conference hall that I was talking about.
So much for the introduction. So thank you for being here today. It's a pleasure to welcome you all to today's discussion on the topic which strikes the chord.
B2B side, if you look at, that's again a big opportunity because in terms of opportunity and the formalization of economy which is happening in the country, a lot of new businesses are getting added to the formalized within the
The GeoWorld Center is beautifully decorated with these kind of, I don't know, decoratives. I'm not sure what exactly to call them, but beautiful flower decorations were put up. This was an elephant. There was one behind which was a horse. There was a tiger. So yeah, this was something that really was eye-catchy. This is the pavilion where all the booths were set up by various fintechs.
We enable today with updated, credible information and find out unwanted.
We call that guy and explain to him. Any job contacts in US.
The risks associated with it. Thanks, Sumit. So, yes, I mean, you referred to the governor's speech yesterday where he talked about really the huge promise which AI holds.
On the user side,
and use all their experience to move this thing around. And this is pointed to sometimes some of the most successful people in a typical corporate background might not work best.
And market share in the account aggregator ecosystem. These two companies have been working tirelessly towards a vision that they discovered to be the same. Data
That's a product release that we really worked for. And to represent our company, our fintech head and our product head were on the
enduring
stage.
spirit of citizen empowerment that is embedded in DPDP Act 2023 and the MIT consent framework of what is called MIT Foundry, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. They created the consent to come together and serve the underserved seamlessly with honesty and humility. The video, please. So this is the app in which the farmer comes into the app. He selects the ingredients that he wants to buy, the crop pattern he has, and consent to share all the data with the with NinjaCart, who then analyze the data and present it to the lenders. Then the lenders will deliver the loan product to the farmer and the trader, and that is what is happening now. And it all happens seamlessly in a matter of less than a minute, and that is what you're seeing on the screen right now. So in this, we actually put together data, 4 sets of data: the bureau data, the crop pattern data, the land records data, and the financial data of the farmer and the agri trader. All of this data is presented together, analyzed, and then the loan is delivered to the agriculture community. And we have actually done this already, and we have delivered. I request now Mr. Pradeep Ratnam to deliver the sanction letter to the farmer. It has been done on the fly. Thank you very much.
After the product release, I was one happy kid who was super excited. Everything went on fine. Post that, I went again back to the booths. After having spent some time, by 6, I guess we decided that we'll head back, given that we had a dinner invite for about 8:30. So we thought that we'll head back, chill a little, and then go for the dinner from our Airbnbs. But the traffic at BKC was crazy. We did not find any commute. We walked a kilometer till the junction where the guy, the taxi guy was on the other side, and after a lot of hassle we were actually able to get into a cab. Again, getting into the cab was not sufficient. Even to reach to our respective Airbnbs, it took at least an hour, and by the time I reached, it was almost 8:15. Damn, it was a crazy ride.
So just back to the room after spending about 1.5 hours for booking the cab, walking more than a kilometer, and reaching to the Airbnb that we had booked. It's crazy to come from BKC to anywhere. I think just the sheer effort it takes to move out of BKC is like crazy. The traffic was insane. I mean, like every few minutes we are asking the cab guy, अभी भी हम BKC में हैं, अभी भी हम BKC में हैं. So it was crazy, absolutely crazy. So just reached, had a super hectic day. पैरों की तो एकदम से मतलब क्या बोलूँ, it's like कुछ feel नहीं हो रहा है. It's completely gone. Now heading out for dinner, and post that event ends at around 10:30ish, and post that I'll call it a day. So today in all was a very, very hectic day. So yeah, so I need to head out, so I'm just going to quickly freshen up, but I will just continue probably wearing the same outfit that I'm wearing because I really don't have the patience to change at this point of time. But luckily today Mumbai was good to us. It did not rain, it was sunny, we could walk around, but I'm super tired. I'm really, really super tired. But yeah, just let's go freshen up, and I have about 15 minutes because we thought that we'll come back and we'll chill a bit, but पहुंचने के लिए ही इतना time लग गया that the event starts at 8:30 and it's about already, I don't have a clock here, but I think it's about 8ish already. So we have about 15-20 minutes to chill. The event is at Taj Santa Cruz only, so it's about like 15 minutes maximum here. So probably I can afford that time and rest a little bit. but yeah, heading out, and I'm in this super claustrophobic lift. Not really, but
The venue was about 20 minutes from my Airbnb, so we thankfully reached here on time without facing any traffic whatsoever. Couldn't shoot or take pictures as much because it was quite an official event, but let me tell you, the Taj Presidential Suite is a mammoth of a room. It's immensely big. There is a living area, there are 2 bedrooms, they have a separate lounge area, and the setup was done beautifully. The area of food, veg, non-veg, was exquisite. Like, they had protein bowls and dabeli on I don't know what is it called, like in a bread toast. There was prawns curry on a tart. There was truffle. There were beautiful desserts. There was sushi. This was all starters, and dinner, of course, was a combination of Indian and Chinese, and again, a beautiful assortment of desserts.
so just back from my event, I really had a time, and now I'm super tired. I'm just going to drop dead and sleep like crazy. Anyway, kal ka schedule is the PM is visiting, so I think there's no one allowed. Only the people who have been selected would be there at the venue, so no one is allowed to recruit, probably is what I heard. So yeah, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Hopefully you will like the vlog, and see you soon.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, then do like the video and subscribe to the channel. खुश रहें, खुशियाँ बांटें, keep exploring and keep discovering.